Hi guys, Tina Gale here, and I have the monthly card kit for you. The card kit comes out every other month and includes enough card bases and product to create at least 6 cards, and I can tell you there's always plenty more to do a lot more cards. So this month's card kit is featured around Kaiser Craft's Oh Happy Day collection. So you're going to be all set to make up birthday cards for all of your friends and family. So let's take a closer look at everything that's in this month's kit. So we're going to start with 6 card bases and 6 envelopes. So you can have those to start creating your cards right away. But you're also going to receive 2 sheets of white cardstock, a sheet of Jetstream, and a sheet of blue cardstock. These are 8.5 by 11 and they're a heavyweight basil cardstock, so you can cut those in half to create more card bases, or you can use them to create the fronts of your cards. For your papers, you're going to receive 12 of the 6x6 patterned paper sheets. These are one-sided. Some of the sheets may vary, I'm not sure, but this one is the text, so it has hooray and celebrate, and some of the letters are gold foil, but again, they're one-sided. This one has birthday presents on it, and then we have a yellow one with confetti, and this coral, and a yellow with more gold foil, a blue with sprinkles, so it's a tone on tone, and a blue tone on tone, but this blue is the foiling, and another blue with just a pattern, so again this is a tone on tone. And then we have these that could be cut apart and used for your fronts and your embellishing. So this one's like the bingo cards and the birthday theme. We have a cut apart here that is about a little over 2 by 3, I would say. And then some square ones, so these are perfect to do just a piece on the front of the card for your sentiment. All of these banners, which could be fussy cut to use to embellish. And then birthday hats and candles, again, fussy cut those to embellish. So you can see there's a wide variety of multicolored papers and then just the solids and the tone on tone colors. So it'd be really fun and easy to create cards. You're also going to receive this punch out sheet. So these are ticket shapes and then word labels. So they just punch out of the paper. Again, just put those on the front with a little bit of embellishing for your sentiment. And then this punch out is a scalloped border in the yellow and the red with white polka dot. And then this one has the text on it. So again, these may vary as well. You're also going to receive the 4x6 stamp set. So you're ready for all kinds of embellishment. You can stamp those over and over again to create so many embellishments for your cards. It would just be endless. And then these for your sentiments on the front. And then we're still not done. You're going to receive some wood veneer, all in the birthday theme from Kaiser Craft. So again, lots of embellishments and sentiments for your cards, as well as some bling. So you're going to have all of that to decorate the fronts of your cards. So that's a look at this month's card kit from Kaiser Craft. Oh Happy Day. If you haven't already subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when new videos are released. Check out all the other kits available in the store, as well as all the individual items that are available there that you can add on to your orders. And come on over to the Facebook group and the blog to join in on the challenges and see what the design team's creating with their kits, as well as your fellow subscribers. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.